Hi, this is Shane. Just wanted to chime in and tell you I'm okay. um, just to fill you in, I'm staying at the uh, Pop Century Resort Hotel in Disney World. Um, hasn't really been stormy at all today, Saturday. It got a little bit stormy in the afternoon. Um, we came back to the hotel to um, get ready and everything. Um, Everything was it wasn't as crazy as I thought it would be. People panicking or whatever. They were selling pizzas, like whole pizzas, for like $14. Um, Sack lunches without a sandwich and chips and a drink or well, a water, I guess. Cookies and just some basic things for like $6. Those seem to be very popular. Um, so we got some of those, some pizzas, um, some basic snacks and breakfasty type things. I don't know. And I've just been hanging out in the room, tired of walking around and being sweaty and hot because Florida. But you can see out the window. Um, it's not even storming right now. It's warm, of course, but not as warm as it has been. Um, hmm. So, I don't know. I guess the storm is supposed to be here more in the early hours tomorrow, but for right now, everything's fine. um, yeah, I don't know what the news has been saying about everything. Everything's fine here. I guess there's not really a sense of panic, not really people any freaking out or whatever. I guess everybody's kind of the assumption that Disney has gone through these before and they're still here. They have been doing things like putting some plastic wrap around like the umbrellas at the pool areas. They have tied the trash cans like to posts. All of the they're doing a lot of work on some of the buildings here in Pop Century, and they've removed all of the signage. I think mostly just to create less debris, I guess, when the storm does hit. But yeah, try to chime in every once in a while and let you know what's going on. Maybe take some video if the storm gets pretty bad. I don't know how much we'll be able to do opening windows or doors, at least for the most of tomorrow. But so far, yeah. So anyway, love everybody.